Okay, my bike has been sat for 2.5, 3 years now. Various reasons. I've been off the bike for a while, so it is what it is. But I want to get back out on two wheels. There are a few things that I need to do. The bike's only done 179 miles, but because it's been sat for so long, I'm gonna do the bits that need to be done. Oil, filter change, possibly a coolant flush and change, possibly a brake fluid change, although I have a tester to test the brake fluid, so that'll be a fun experiment anyway to see if it does need changing after, well, the bike's 4 years old, so it'd be interesting to see if it does need changing if the bike hasn't been used that much. Maybe the brake fluid is still fine. Maybe water gets into the brake fluid when it's used and maybe not when it isn't used. We'll see. One of the other things that was pointed out to me is that because I left the bike for so long with fuel in it, but not completely full and not having any additives, the fuel could have caused condensation and caused rust on the inside of the tank. If you've tried to look inside your tank, you'll know that it's quite a small space to see. So I've invested in a tool, and when I say invest, this is £5. It's not a massive amount, but so this part of this is just an unboxing. So let's have a look what comes in the box, and you can see what it is. Now this was suggested by Dave Hansford on the Kawasaki Vulcan S650 UK group. I didn't even know this was a thing, but we shall see. Can you see that? Yeah, this isn't going to happen on this camera. But that is a camera. This is a 2.5K camera. Anything HD and above would be fine for this. I have a few other channels, and this is actually going to be usable in those channels. So it's not just a one-off purchase for trees and wheels. Now this has got a 5-meter cable, which, yeah, not sure I'm ever going to use that much, and I imagine that it's fairly stiff at that sort of length, but I doubt it's going to be at its full 5-meter extension. So USB-C, don't know if you can see that, USB-C, comes with a few bits, comes with a bag, should be handy, comes with a, USB-C to micro USB and USB-C to lightning adapter. So this will work on an iPhone or an iPad as well, which is quite cool. And it comes with, this is an interesting bit, comes with a mirror adapter so that you can, I don't know if you can see that, it comes with a mirror adapter so that you can look round corners with it. Might be handy in the tank. It comes with a magnet attachment. So when I do drop bolts inevitably inside the panel at the bottom of the bike, which I have done before, I have a camera and a light with a magnet attachment and a hook attachment. I guess if I drop my keys down a drain I could get it. And okay, I'm gonna have to read the instructions for that one. Not sure what that is. That might just be a hood to direct the light from the end. And usual warranty card and a small manual with the QR code for downloading the app. So that's all very cool. I think all in all, that should be enough for me to be able to look into the tank and see if there's any rust. I mean, obviously I'll be able to see if there's any rust when I open the cap and it's all rusty on the top. But if it looks fairly clean on the top, I still need to check inside. Oh, I didn't mention actually, around the edge of that, you probably can't see, but there are micro LED lights. So I can light up the inside of the tank while I'm looking for rust. So I will install the app and show it in action.